Welcome to the Motomate tutorial Spasm Control. If a spasm, muscle cramp or movement blockage occurs during training, the spasm control gently stops the pedal movement. Legs and arms are relieved, and the direction of rotation is switched following a brief resting period. Afterwards, the new direction of rotation is gently started. The pedals now turn in the opposite direction according to the therapeutic principle of antagonistic inhibition. This process is repeated until the spasm is loosened. In free training, the original direction of rotation is restored after 30 seconds if the spasm is loosened. If training is performed within a program, shown here by using the stroke program as an example, the change of direction of the rotation must be performed manually. To do this, select the button Change of Direction. The spasm control can be optionally activated or deactivated in the settings of the initial values. You can individually adjust the sensitivity of the spasm control in the settings under Sensors. Here, you can choose between three settings: Sensitive, Normal, and Insensitive. No general recommendations can be given for setting the spasm control. If recurrent spasticity occurs, changing the settings to insensitive can be helpful so that training can be continued more easily. If very severe spasticity occurs, the motor power can be increased additionally to relieve it.